Prediction 3, this was a volcano eruption or warning. I just like idea of the gases, like cause panic. Let's get an AOL of Hawaii. What did I write down? Inverted cliff on the one face, or one side of this volcano is like a bit of a weird invert. Gases spew, I wrote down. Volcano wakes up Hawaii on alert. AOL Kilauea or something like that. Not sure what that is.
You've probably seen Kilauea erupting before, but not like this. Look closely. That's lava spinning up in the air. Like a dust devil, or, if you would, a lavanado. Photographer Scott Mollis said this lavanado lasted for about 5 minutes. The Kilauea volcano began a new round of eruptions in December, with lava fountains getting as high as 600 feet.